Welcome back to How To Not To. In this video I'm going to show you how to save water usage. If you live alone or as a couple, switching to a water meter that is, can sometimes reduce your bill because you're only paying for what you use. The typical water use for Eco 4060 on the Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine models is around 40 to 55 litres per cycle. That's right, you can save around 40 to 55 litres per cycle compared with 60 to 90 litres for a standard cotton cycle. So here's how the Eco 4060 achieves that savings for you. So I'll just repeat that. So lower water fill. The drum is not flooded. Clothes are wetted enough for detergent to work. So that is now showing 2 hours 44, and it automatically, when you switch the machine on, the Samsung automatically defaults to the Eco 4060. So you got it already going on there. So it's showing on the display screen. Don't know whether you can see that. 40, 60. You cannot change those settings there. So I can press all I like and it will default to the 4060. You can't change the temperature. Can you change the rinses? Let's have a look. You can. And obviously that's going to increase the time somewhat. And you can change the other settings. So the RPM can go up to the maximum 1400. I'm just thinking about saving time. Not really, they're the same time, isn't it? So can you select any? Yes, you can. You can select the pre-wash and the intense, and can you select the bubble? So those cycles, I'll just repeat that. You can select the intense option. That's if you've got really soiled items, laundry, and you can select the pre-wash as well. Obviously that's going to increase the time, about 3 hours there. And can you select the bubble wash? No, you cannot. No, it doesn't allow you to select the bubble wash. Iron option? You can select the iron option. Now with the iron options, as you can see there, it automatically reduced the time to 2 hours 29, and that's because it's it's going to get your clothes less creased. So it's decreasing those creases, if you understand that. Okay, let's deselect that. And obviously if you want to reduce creases in your clothes, so select that option, and you want to also, it's also automatically done it. I was going to say reduce the spin speed. That's already been done. You can even go down to 400 RPM. Yeah. Just one shirt. I mean, you know, is that going to make a big difference? I do want them to be dry though. I'm going to just leave it at 1400. Oh, you can't. You have to deselect the iron and then go up to 1400. Okay, where were we? What was I saying now? Yeah, the drum is not flooded. So yeah, lower water fill, the drum is not flooded, clothes are wetted. I've already said that, didn't I? Longer soak and tumble, the cycle runs longer, so detergent and mechanical action removes dirt without extra water. Increased drum movements, well, more lifting and dropping of clothes replaces the need for a deep water bath. Less energy to heat water, and the longer time compensates for lower temperature cleaning. And efficiency rinses, well, because it uses time instead of volume, the Eco 4060 typically takes longer, as displayed there, and expect about 2 hours 30 to 3 hours 30, depending on obviously the settings and the options you choose and the model you've got. So that's a longer run time. It is deliberate. It's the mechanism that lets the machine clean with less water. So when is Eco 40 the right choice for you? Well, let me say, use Eco 4060 for everyday laundry. You know, I don't do my laundry every day. It's more likely once a week. So you're going to save even more water usage, but it depends on your family size. What is everyday laundry? Like shirts, trousers, mixed fabrics, and lightly to moderate soiled items, I'd say. It's designed for a full load as well. This is a 9 kilogram drum, And yes, you can do a full load on cut. Aim for 70 to 100% of the drum capacity so the cycle remains efficient. Great. Okay, I mustn't get too carried away. We're putting the clothes in. I forgot to put the linol beads down the bottom of the drum to give it more fragrance. So let's quickly do that before I forget. That much. And another thing I put in with the clothes is the liquid detergent. So I'm going to put that in as well. And as I'm doing a full load, I'm going to put about between 60 and 70 ml of liquid directly in the drum. On the Samsung washing machine, I have done a video on this, so if you want to see that video, check out that video at the end of this video. Yeah, the quick wash is between, 15 and 30 minutes, although it did go up to 36 when you select more rinses, that is. Let me just quickly explain the quick wash. Typical water usage is about 25 to 40 litres per cycle because the programme is short, obviously, and uses minimal rinses. Yeah, and that's why it uses less water. So the more rinses you do, obviously, the more water usage it's going to take to rinse your clothes. So I usually stick to about 1 or 2. Usually 2 is the average I do. So yeah, and the maximum load you can do on the quick wash is 2 kilos, and that's for lightly soiled items of clothing. You can get t-shirts, you can put t-shirts in there, gym kit, a single outfit that needs some refreshing. So, or if you're in a quick wash is the ideal cycle to use as well. So the important rules for the quick wash: keep the load small, roughly 2 kilos maximum, and only use it for items that aren't very dirty. If you overload the quick wash or try to clean stained clothes, you're likely to rewash them and waste even more water overall. So stick to the limitations on the quick wash settings, guidance, etc. As I said, I have done a video on this, on the quick wash, how to use the quick wash tutorial. So check that video out at the end of this video. And while you're here, please subscribe to my channel. I've got loads more tutorials on different cycles, not only on the Samsung model, but also on the Hoover 500. I've also done videos on the hot pot. The Hot Point washing machine as well. Yeah, here's a simple decision rule. The Eco 4060 best for full loads, everyday washing, and real water savings on proper washes. Use this when you want to reduce your water without sacrificing cleaning. The quick wash is best for tiny, lightly soiled items, loads when you need something fresh and want the absolute lowest water cycle. So if you want to save water across the week, use the Eco 4060 for your main laundry and the quick wash only for small refreshes. Now I'm going to start this cycle. Yeah, 2 rinses, 1,400, no other options. Defaults to 4060, 2 hours 44. Let's begin. Switching from a cotton to quick wash, which is 25 to 40 litres, can save 30 to 50 litres per wash. And the UK water cost varies. So as you can see there, it's using little water. On a cotton, let's say, cotton cycle, that would fill up with a bit of water. But I've noticed on the Eco 4060, the water isn't that much. The UK cost varies, but simple average is about, let's see, £2, between £2 and £3 per 1,000 litre. And saving between 30 and 50 litres per wash is about between 6 and 15 pence per wash. So if you wash 4 times a week and switch most washes from a cotton to Eco 4060, you could save around £8.25 per year just on the water volume. That sounds like a small amount after all that, but combined with lower energy use, because eco uses lower temperatures, and if you are on the water meter, reduced sewage charges, the total annual saving can be around £50 to £250. That's right, £250. So depending on the household size and habits, you could save a lot per year. For single people or couples on a meter, the higher end of that range is realistic, isn't it? So practical tips to leave you with is to maximize savings is small habits make a big difference in this case scenario. So wash full loads on Eco 4060. Don't run half empty washes. Okay. Use a quick wash only for small freshen up loads and keep them to under 2 kilos. That's right. Measure detergents, like I just showed you earlier. Too much soap forces extra rinses. Yes, so maybe I should have gone a bit. Maybe I should have reduced the detergents actually to around 40 to 50 ml. Yeah. And you want to avoid using cotton for everyday laundry. That's cotton, the cotton cycle, which is the second one down from the dial. So just a quick recap, the Eco 4060 is your best full wash option for saving water without losing cleaning power. So expect 40 to 55 litres per cycle and a run time of, well, I just showed you, didn't I, 2 hours 44, wasn't it, for this one. It can go over if you select more options and change the settings slightly. So if you do more rinses, obviously it's going to increase the time. And if you select other options, that's going to increase it to well over, well, it was just over, wasn't it, over 3 hours. So the quick wash uses the least water overall, 25 to 40 litres at 15 to 30 minutes time, but only for very small, lightly soiled loads. Use both wisely and you'll cut water usage. So if this video helped you, please like it and leave any comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, please.